This man built a fully functional pirate ship in his backyard using only recycled materials. Picture this: towering masts made from repurposed telephone poles, sails crafted from old bed linens, and a ship's wheel fashioned out of discarded bicycle parts. It's not just a static display, this ship is seaworthy and has even taken its maiden voyage on a nearby lake. The project took him 3 years of meticulous planning and scavenging for the perfect materials. He scoured junkyards, construction sites, and even his neighbor's curbside throwaways to find everything he needed. Each plank of wood, every bowl, and rope has a story, a past life that now contributes to this remarkable vessel. What makes it even more astounding is his commitment to sustainability. By using recycled materials, he not only saved countless items from ending up in landfills but also created a unique, eco-friendly masterpiece. His dedication to the project was fueled by a childhood dream of sailing the high seas, and he turned that dream into a reality with his own 2 hands. Today, his backyard pirate ship is a local legend, drawing curious onlookers and pirate enthusiasts from far and wide. It's a testament to ingenuity, resourcefulness, and the power of dreams, proving that with enough creativity and determination, you can build anything, even a pirate ship, from what others discard.